In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung phone screen not turning. If you try to turn on the auto rotation on your Samsung phone screen, but it refuses to turn on, and you could not achieve this landscape mode on your Samsung phone, there are a few things you need to toggle on. It may be because you only turn on the auto rotation mode by disabling the portrait mode on your Samsung phone without turning on the necessary features. So, to make sure you have a landscape mode while you turn on auto rotation on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is swipe down the notification tray just like this. Locate the rotate button, press and hold it. Once you press and hold the auto rotate button, there are 4 options available here. These options include home screen rotation, lock screen rotation, video call screen rotation, and show rotation button on navigation bar. However, if any of these feature is turned on your Samsung phone, this is what you're going to see. But if this feature is enabled on your Samsung phone, like this, just tap auto rotation and turn on this feature on your Samsung phone. Your Samsung phone screen will rotate automatically, and the screen not turning will be disabled, and your Samsung phone screen will start turning. At the same time, press and hold the auto rotation button and make sure you enable lock screen rotation. With the lock screen rotation enabled, your Samsung phone screen will rotate even when the screen is locked. For instance, let's say I just decided to lock this Samsung phone screen like this and turn it on. You see the screen in landscape mode. But if the lock screen rotation is disabled, the Samsung phone screen will not rotate on lock screen. Let's go ahead and set this. Tap auto rotate, then disable lock screen rotation. Then let's turn this off and turn it on. This is how you're going to see your Samsung phone screen. So it's not going to rotate automatically, but with the auto rotate feature turned on for lock screen, your Samsung phone screen will start turning. At the same time, turn on voice call screen. So with the voice call screen rotation enabled, your phone screen will be able to rotate even when you are making voice call or video call on WhatsApp or Telegram. You can also turn on show rotation button on navigation bar. To enable this feature, you need to do is make sure you first disable auto rotation, then scroll down and turn on this feature. Once the feature is turned on, then come back to auto rotation and turn that on, then tap on the done button. There you go. So this is how to fix Samsung screen not rotating on your device. So if you found this really interesting, you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.